Hello student, esterification is our new topic. Alcohols and phenols. Alcohols means ROH or AROH are phenols. Reacted with acid, that means RC double bond OH. In the presence of sulfuric acid, then they forms the esters. Esters are the compound like this ROC double bond OR. These esters are formed when alcohols or phenols reacts with carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. They forms esters. This reaction is called esterification process. Esterification is a reversible process. Esterification is a reversible process. See here. This reaction is turned backward when we added H2O into ester, then again alcohol and acids are formed. See here, in first case alcohol when reacts with carboxylic acid in the presence of sulfuric acid, they forms ester. When phenols reacted with carboxylic acid, they also form esters. Esters are like ROC double bond OR. In this way, esters are formed by the reaction of alcohol and phenol with acid. Here, esters are obtained by using acid. In next case, esters are obtained by using anhydride. Here, see here, these two reactions are of anhydride. Here again alcohol and phenol reacts with anhydride molecule. See here, anhydride molecule is RC double bond O, again he RC double bond O, and this is anhydride. This is anhydride molecule. When alcohol and phenol reacted with anhydride in the presence of acid, they forms esters. Here, see here, this OH group, this RC double bond OH. In this way, acid is formed here and R group is joined here and forms ester. Again, when phenols reacted with anhydride, here also this OH group is reacted with RC double bond O group, forms acid, and esters are formed here. In this way, esters are obtained by the reaction of alcohol or phenol with acid anhydride. In first case, they are obtained by reaction of alcohol and phenol with acid. In second case, reaction of alcohol and phenol with acid anhydride, esters are obtained. In third case, when we react alcohol or phenol with acid chloride or acid halide in the presence of pyridine, this is not reversible process. These two reactions are reversible, but when alcohols and phenol reacted with acid chloride in the presence of pyridine, they forms esters. They form esters. See here, in this way esters are formed. Here H from the OH group and Cl, HCl is removed and esters are formed. Next process is, see here, acetyl derivatives. CS3 CO, this is a acetyl group. The acetate of alcohols or phenols are also called acetyl derivatives of alcohols and phenols. The OH group is deduced from the number of alkyl group introduced as a result of acetylation. See here, salicylic acid, in which acetic anhydride added in the presence of acidic medium. Then here the hydrogen from this is added into this compound and forms here hydrogen from this added into this compound and forms CH3COOH, and here RC double bond O this aspirin is or acetyl salicylic acid is formed. This aspirin or acetyl salicylic acid is a generic medicine. It is a acetyl derivative of salicylic acid formed by acetylation using acetic anhydride. In this way we completed here the reaction of esterification. See again here, esterification means formation of ester by the reaction of alcohol or phenol with acid or acid anhydride or acetyl chloride or acid chloride. The reaction of alcohol or phenol with acid or acetic anhydride or acid chloride forming ester is known as esterification. And next is the alkyl derivative, acetyl derivatives, that means CH3CO group. When CH3CO group is attached to the another group, then they forms the acetyl derivatives. Here salicylic acid is used and acetic anhydride is added into salicylic acid in the presence of acid. Then here H from the OH group and this forms the acid, and on the place of this group C double bond O CH3 is attached, form aspirin salicylic acid. In this way we completed the esterification process. I hope you understand this reaction. Thank you, student.